Hello and welcome to the course on telecom customer churn prediction using Apache Spark machine learning. I am really excited to have you here. Why this course matters? In today's data driven world, business are constantly asking one key question. Why are customers leaving and how can we stop them? This is exactly what customer churn prediction helps solve. What this course is about. In this course, we will build a complete end to end machine learning project using real world telecom data. You won't just learn theory, you will actually implement everything step by step. Let me quickly walk through what we have in this course. We will begin with what you will learn, why Apache Spark MLlib is powerful, course workflow, and project overview. Tools we will use like Spark, MLlib, and Zeppelin. Overview of the telecom dataset. Setting up the environment. We will set up environment step by step, installing Java, configuring environment variable, installing Zeppelin, running Zeppelin using Docker, connecting to Spark interpreter. Don't worry, we'll guide you through everything hands on. You will also get telecom dataset, project files, Zeppelin notebooks, so you can follow along and practice. Zeppelin basics. If you are new to Zeppelin, no problem. We'll cover what is Apache Zeppelin, UI walkthroughs, writing queries, visualization like charts and graphs. Then we will integrate Spark with Zeppelin, working with data frames, running Spark SQL queries, visualizing output, understanding performance basics. Machine learning project. This is the core of the course. We'll build a complete churn prediction model, understanding customer churn concept, performing exploratory data analysis called EDA, identifying key churn drivers, build machine learning model, evaluate and improve performance. We will implement logistic regression, naive Bayes, one versus rest model, confusion matrix evaluation, ROC and AUC metrics, just like real world data science projects. Who this course is for? The course is perfect for data engineers, aspiring data scientists, big data professional, anyone interested in Spark ML. What makes the course unique? This isn't just another tutorial. Real world data set, end to end pipeline, working on hands on coding, industry relevant skills. By the end of this, you will have a complete ML project for your portfolio. So, if you are ready to learn Spark ML, build real world project, boost your data career, then you are in the right place. Let's get started and dive into the first lecture. What you will learn in this course.